Alright, so forgive the mess, but I've been working on organizing my garage for the last little while, and it seems to be going pretty well. I still need to get PVC pipes to put all my filler wire in, electrodes and stuff like that. Got my drill press here, it's a very small one. Argon, my air compressor's back in there, which feeds that reel. All of this is just like random welding and fab tools. This is my actual welding surface. It's a steel, probably about an 1/8 inch thick piece of steel. Got my other welders over here, and then I have a chop saw with a wood blade on it right now actually, and then a portable bandsaw up on a stand that I made. I have the little welder, and then my desk is actually pretty well organized. Like, I have it labeled out what's in here. So, I mean, I know this is me in the last couple nights, but like die grinder, all my air tools, impact wrench, paint gun, tire filler, impact sockets. So, yeah, this is just my new setup. And I'm going to be doing a specialty stainless project for a guy here in town. He made me this sweet jig, so it'll be easier to do. But basically I'm welding this, like this fitting right here, onto the shaft in that location. So I'm going to do that real quick. Hopefully I can get it on video, nice and filmed, nice and close. And I'll be back with y'all when I'm ready. It just helps. I also need to stretch my post out a little bit further. Let's get back up in this corner. Probably about a ½ inch, maybe a little less, to stick out on the electrode. And I'm just gonna weld it down the side. Yeah, those are still really hot. I'll come revisit this later. But yeah, that's just 3 little stainless things that I knocked out. Little projects like this may not pay that well, but I mean, I only spent probably 20-30 minutes, so yeah, I'm just gonna keep rolling with stuff like this, and hope to see y'all soon. Please subscribe. I'm gonna be putting a lot more welding videos on out there for y'all on Weld It 321. I'm gonna do some instructional stuff, some stuff that's just gonna be me welding, so you can just kind of look over my shoulder basically and see what's going on. But a lot more of this coming hopefully soon, and I'm going to try to break that 1,000 subscriber mark so I can, you know, fund some of this stuff. But hey, I really appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all around.